J.K. Rowling is attacked by Amber Heard fans who label her a Johnny Depp fangirl and claim that she is not a feminist. Disputes are nothing new for J.K. Rowling. The author of Harry Potter has received several criticisms for her dubious behavior and words, and it has been this way for a while. In a similar vein, the author defended casting Johnny Depp in the Fantastic Beasts sequel despite some calling him a wife-beater at the time. Fans are recalling the moments when Rowling's actions offended Amber Heard's followers since she is once again facing criticism for the new Harry Potter series. Recently, a supporter referred to her as a Johnny Depp fangirl for not supporting the alleged victim and dismissing the evidence in order to benefit from it. People refer to J.K. Rowling as a Johnny Depp fangirl. A Twitter user who is also a fan of Amber Heard thought to take this chance to remind folks how deep the rabbit hole can go since J.K. Rowling was once again a hot topic on the internet. The individual wrote on Twitter, in 2018, Depp fanatic J.K. Rowling rejected Amber Heard's efforts to provide her perspective on the situation despite Amber reaching out to her directly. The feminist label does not apply to her. She's a hypocrite who doesn't care about women until she can demonize trans people, at which point she cares about them. This was in reference to the moment when Rowling wholeheartedly endorsed the choice to cast Johnny Depp in the Fantastic Beasts franchise despite the fact that he was dealing with highly damaging controversies and allegations. Amber Heard apparently tried to contact Rowling to give her side of the tale but was unsuccessful. As a result, the user draws attention to the author's hypocrisy and implores her followers to not buy into her deceptive claims. Many of Rowling's fans have been affected by her harsh criticism of transgender people, and in 2018, she made matters worse by disregarding Heard and supporting her alleged abuser. J.K. Rowling's position and Amber Heard's reaction. Shortly after J.K. Rowling defended Johnny Depp's alleged conduct in her own blog, Amber Heard issued a statement of her own, offering her perspective on the situation in a very hazy way. Her remark appeared to be directed at everyone who was interested in reading it rather than at Rowling specifically. Our relationship was quite passionate and tumultuous at times, but it was always based on love. Neither party has fabricated evidence in order to obtain an advantage. Physical or emotional harm was never the goal. Amber hopes Johnny has a bright future. Amber will give the divorce settlement money to a charitable organization. Although it's possible that she did so to refute a claim made by Rowling in her statement that the author was aware of the legal issues involved in the case, she may have published the settlement agreements because she disagreed with that claim. Rowling said in a statement, "It is imperative that the agreements made to safeguard the privacy of two persons, both of whom have expressed a desire to go on with their lives, be honored. The directors and I are not just at ease staying with our initial casting but also genuinely pleased to have Johnny playing a significant character in the movies based on our understanding of the circumstances." Due to J.K. Rowling's involvement in the project, the recent announcement of the Harry Potter television series has caused fans to feel conflicted and ambivalent. In order to remind the fandom of how damaging her previous comments were, they are being examined once more.